Hello, today we'll understand the difference when it is -1 raised to the power an even number, -1 raised to the power odd number, and when -1 is in the bracket and then it is either raised to the power an even number or an odd number. So let us start with it. So if it is -1 raised to the power of 4, which means only 1 is being multiplied 4 times. Negative is just there. So 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. This is going to give us -1. And if it is -1 raised to the power an odd number, let us take it as 3. So 1 is being multiplied 3 times and negative just there. So -1 times 1 times 1, and the result is still a -1. So when you have -1 without a bracket raised to the power either an even number or an odd number, the result is always going to be -1. Let us look at the scenario where -1 is in bracket. So if we have -1 raised to the power 4, which is an even number, it's -1 being multiplied 4 times. So this is -1 times -1 times -1 times -1. So negative times negative positive, negative times negative positive, and positive times positive is just going to give you a +1. But if it is -1 whole raised to the power of 3, which means -1 is being multiplied 3 times. So -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1. So this negative times negative gives us a positive, and positive times negative again gives us a negative. So the result is -1. So there's a difference in the result when you have -1 in the bracket and then it is raised to the exponent even or odd. So when the exponent is even, the result is +1, and if the exponent is odd, the result is -1. I hope you understood and enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.